Just doing a construction update video of the NBA experience they're having here at Disney, or at Disney Springs. This is where Disney Quest used to be. They totally knocked that building down, and they've done a lot of work since I've been here. It's probably been a year since I did a construction update video. When I was here, it was basically just a frame. So most of the building looks like it's up. You still have the walls surrounding it, but I think it's supposed to open soon. I'm not exactly sure of an exact opening date. I think it's been published. I'll show you from a couple different angles. Of course, you hear a lot of music being played across the street. Looks like they still have some work they're doing on it. I think it's a pretty good sized building. Actually, I just realized part of it's for the NBA experience, and in this section here, there's going to be a place called CityWorks. So they kind of doing two places at once. So I bet you this place is definitely going to open after, but it looks like a lot more is done in the NBA experience than over here. But up there, there's decorations for basketball players. Not sure if you can really see it on camera, but get it from over here. So maybe that's supposed to be connected to it. I don't know, or it's separate identity, but part of it, I don't know. Maybe a little farther away. Okay. But here's what the corner of the building looks like. So, it's going to be NBA Experience and CityWorks. Pretty cool. I would show you what the concept art for the NBA Experience looks like, but a whole bunch of people in front of it, so I can't really show you. Oh, here. Actually, wait a minute. There's another one over here. Cool. Personally, I would have preferred they would have kept Disney Quest. I like basketball, don't get me wrong, but I preferred the the arcade games, the old arcade games, the video games and stuff. But this will be a cool place too. I definitely want to check it out. Maybe one day they'll do one of these for like all sports. Do like a separate baseball one, football, and etc. But the wall, I forget what they call this kind of wall would be, barrier, I guess. That's what it looks like. Today is May the 4th. So it gives you an idea of what it looks like now. Okay. Any comments or questions? I know this isn't very exciting. A lot of you really can't see, but it gives you an idea. Alright, any comments or questions below? Thank you. Bye.